If you think your passwords are safe, think again. Your login information is likely already out on the dark web due to a data breach. Data breaches are becoming the new norm, and your passwords are the keys thereafter. What worked yesterday won't protect your today. Passwords written down or used for more than one login are not safe. Let's face it, we live in a digital world, from banking and shopping to social media and emails. Everything requires a password. But did you know that using the same password across multiple sites is like handing a master key to the hackers? A while back, I had an alarming notification. Your Facebook account has been targeted. With over 3,000 followers on my photography page, I knew I was a prime target. That's when I realized I needed to up my security game, not just for Facebook, but for every online account I have. Data breaches are happening left and right. Companies you trust with your information are being compromised. And if you're using the same password everywhere, a single breach can expose all your accounts. Ever heard of the dark web? It's not some mystical place. It's where stolen data gets bought and sold. Your passwords, your personal information, all up for grabs. Still think a spreadsheet or a sticky note under your keyboard is keeping you safe? Think again. Physical lists can be lost or stolen, and digital lists can be hacked. But don't worry, there's a solution that's both secure and easy to use. Introducing Proton Pass, a free, secure password manager from the trusted folks at Proton. Proton Pass uses end-to-end encryption to keep your passwords safe. It's developed by the same team behind Proton Mail, known for their commitment to privacy and security. Create unique, complex passwords for every account without memorizing them. Log into your accounts with a single click securely. Access your passwords on your phone, tablet, and computer seamlessly. And guess what? I've created a free, easy, step-by-step training to show you exactly how to get started with Proton Pass. Whether you're tech savvy or a complete beginner, this training is for you. A free training to use a free password manager. There's nothing to lose unless you decide not to do anything. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect yourself and your loved ones today. Click the link below in the description to access the free training and secure your digital life. Or you can go directly to our website at awcrap.tech. That's awcrap.tech, and click on the link on the front page for the Password Manager training. Remember, in a world full of digital threats, taking the right precautions isn't just smart, it's essential. Don't put it off. You'll forget how to get back here for the training. Get the link now. It's completely free. No obligation. You won't even be asked for a credit card. No payment. But you need to do it right now.